Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz, and in this tutorial I want to talk to you about a question I received from a client. My client reached out and said Act was working very slowly. So this person had an older version of Act, maybe about 4 years old, 5 years maybe. And my first reaction was, okay, maybe this person has an old computer and it's really due for replacement. So I got online, and when I worked with this person, he showed me what was going on, and Act was working slowly. So one of the things I look for is what are some of the things that can cause Act to work slowly. And one of the things that it can be caused by is if you have a lot of old activities. So let me show you what I mean by that. I'm going to come over here on the left and I'm going to click on Task List. And in the task list, these are all the activities that are scheduled in this database. So there's a lot of activities here that have not been cleared out. Now, granted, this is a demo database. I have no reason to clear them out. But when you look down below, right here it tells us how many activities we have that are scheduled that need to be addressed. And in this case, there's 198 activities. There's 4 calls, 147 meetings, and 6 to-dos, and 41 custom activities. So in other words, there's about 200 activities. Now, when you are working in Act, these things have to load behind the scenes. So when I clicked on Task List, these had to load up. Now, in my client's case, what I did not know about the way the client works is they've been putting things in Act, scheduling things since 2005. That person had 29,000 activities on their task list or on their calendar. The task list is just another way of looking at things on your calendar. So all we did is we went in and we cleared out some of the old activities. We went back and saved things from the last couple of years, but he said, nope, anything older than that is fine. And the way you do that, if you want to clear out a lot of things, I'm going to click on any activity. I'm going to hold the Shift key down to go down and click on another one. It's going to select everything in between. When you right click, you have the ability to clear multiple activities. And you can mark them as completed, not completed, or in this case, because he had so many that were so old, we just clicked on erase. Once we did that and cleaned out some of the old activities, Act worked just fine. So sometimes it's what you have in Act that is slowing the software down. Anyway, if you have any questions for me like this, feel free to reach out to me. Maybe I'll create a YouTube video and try to address the issue. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Be well. Bye now.